Eh, ali, kailangan ko yung Dragon Bubble para maka-first box ko. Hindi ko pa maka-live. Kasalan mo? Ganam ako na Jadon! Let's try Dragon Bubble, Jadon. Lakang kasalan. 400 yamu pag kahit may pa ka ako. May bala ka. Ayaw mo na ako magbulang sopan. Metong mo kasi para mag-end na ako. Steve! Mister, how are you? Hi, Mister! Welcome back! How are you, Mister? It's long time no see. Just visiting. Oh my God! Thank you for visiting. Thank you, Mister. I am good. Nothing's new. It's nothing's new. Grinding, 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 grinding every day. Super grind. But Bigo, it's not the same last month like that. Super tumal. Hendrik, hello. Thank you for visiting me again, still. Super matumal. I am still here grinding. Yes, be good. Yeah. Grinding, grinding every day. You know, I started streaming like, yeah, 4 a.m. Until now. But it's hard to reach first box. Nix, hello. How are you, Mr. Nobody? How have you been to? Buster, hello. Then, you know, then it's, I am requesting a Dragon B for him, but did not want to send me. Hi, Amir. Randy, hello. You know, Mr. Nobody, I have something to tell you. Yesterday, I think, yeah, the account it's a dummy, but they comment here. He said to me like, you you ask money for Steve like that. Steve will give you cash like parang they want to annoy me. Then I block him. Yeah, I don't know. Then I block him. They said your name. Then I don't know, it's a dummy. The sending diamond is 3K. Then someone said to me like, you grinding? Stop your life, then you, I still will give you cash like that. I don't know why they said that. Then I blocked him. I did not notice the comment. When I read it, I block this. Oh, maybe I screenshot it because you said to me, did you delete your WhatsApp, right? I don't know for. I think it's a dummy. They want to annoy me like that. I screenshot here. You don't talk forever. True. I screenshot it here in this cell phone. I don't know why they said that. Then I think like 5 months or 3 months like that. Did not talk to you, right? Then you quitting here in Vigo. Later, then I am shocked because many months, yes. Yeah. Then someone told me like, Steve, your name, they said here in comment because um they see me like I am grinding every day. Then he said to me, they said to me like, Steve will give you a cash like that. I don't know why they said that. Then you never gave me a cash, right? You never gave me. It's only gift. I don't know the Bigo, it's crazy. Yeah, never. I think it's a girl. She jealous at me. It's a girl. True. It's a girl. She jealous at me. That's why they said that. Because they said they see me always live here. Then I receive the like 5k beans every day like that. Then someone is jealous. But it's okay because I know myself. I have a guy that says that to the girls too. True. So many dummy account here. He messaged them all. Yeah. So many dummy account. That's why you need to change your account. Ian, hello. Bigo, it's crazy. Super crazy. Then I'm shocking because you said to me you did not ano, too much drama. True. You did not big